English readers, and take out your pencil also, okay, because I'm going to make you underline and read the lesson and explain it, okay. So take out your reader, open page 41, lesson 5, going to the village. Now in this lesson the story goes is that there are two girls who are living with their parents in the countryside, means in the city side, and they are wanting to go and visit a village because they have never been to a village before. So they have decided to go along with their parents to meet their uncle and auntie who are living in a village. Okay, so here goes the lesson, and you keep your pencils in your hand, because as I'm reading you will underline the words. Nitya and Aditi are going to visit, underline visit, their uncle and aunt who live in a village, underline village. They are traveling, underline traveling, with their parents. With whom are they going? They are going with their parents. Nitya is very excited. Excited means she's full of happiness, joy is there in her eyes, because she's going first time to the village, and keeps glancing. Keeps glancing means looking out. She keeps looking out of the train window. Keep glancing means she's looking out of the train window. She has never been to a village before. Now they have never been to a village, so first time she's going to the village, and so she's asking her mother many questions. Now as I'm reading, I'll read who is saying what, because this is a drama, skit type. Okay, how we have skits, no, and different characters are there. So in this, Aditi is there, Nitya is there. These are two sisters. There are their mother and their father. All four are in this lesson, and their uncle Rutuja and auntie Rutuja and uncle Naresh. These are the characters. Okay, so as I'm reading, I'll read their names. Nitya: how much longer? I'm waiting to play with the calves and feed the ducks. Now Nitya is asking her mother how much more time I have to spend in the train, because I want to play with the calves. Baby cow is called a calf. Okay, so many calves are called calves. When there are many, CLF, calf, then we call them calves, baby cows. Okay, so she's waiting to see the cows and feed the ducks. Okay, Aditi. Now Aditi is her sister. She is telling, do you think they have rabbits there? So Aditi is asking mother, have they got rabbits too? Mother: there are no rabbits. When I was a child, there are large fields, underline fields. Okay, there are large fields where you can play with your cousins. So they have their cousins too. So mother is saying there are no rabbits there, but when she was a child also, that time also they had no rabbits, but there are big fields, and you cannot see in the city side. In the villages only you see the fields where the crops grow. Farmers grow their crops, isn't it? From there only we get our food and many things. So they are going to see the fields, and their cousins are also there to play with them. Their mother is telling them, Aditi. And what do Uncle Naresh, underline Uncle Naresh, and Aunt Rujuta do? So Aditi is asking about her uncle and auntie to her mother. What do they do? Mother, what does mother say? They work in the farm. So mother is saying that they work in the farm. They grow sugarcane, underline, and rice, underline. Rujuta auntie also runs a girls' school. So she's telling that they work on the farm, they grow sugarcane and rice, and auntie also runs the school, girls' school. Okay. Now open next page, page 42. So now father is saying, father, they started it last year. So underline started it last year, so that the girls in the village can study in the school nearby. So underline nearby also. So father is telling them that their aunt Rutuja had started the school last year, so that the village girls could study in a nearby school. They won't have to go very far. Sometimes when it is cool, they have the classes under huge banyan trees. So when it is very hot and they feel uh, they want to go and sit under the shade for to get cool air, so they go and sit under the huge, means big banyan trees are there in the field. In the village you will see many trees, old trees. So huge means very big banyan trees are there. Sometimes when they feel very hot, to feel better and comfortable, they go and sit under the tree, or under these huge banyan trees to study. Okay. Now Nitya is saying, I'd love to make friends with all of them. So Nitya wants to make friends with all the children who are studying in her aunt's school. Okay. Father, looks like our station is just a few minutes away. Now father suddenly says that our station is coming and it is just a few minutes away. Underline station and minutes both. Okay. Now what does Aditi say? Aditi, how will we reach the farm? Aditi is asking the father, how is she going to reach the farm? Are there autos? Underline autos. Taxi and taxis. Underline taxis to take us there. So she is asking, how will they reach the farm of their aunt and uncle? Are there autos and taxis? Then what does the father say? No, there are buses. Father says, there are no autos and taxis, but there are buses. Maybe your uncle and aunt will bring their tractor. So uncle and aunt, underline tractor. Uncle and aunt have their tractor. So father is saying that their uncle and aunt may bring the tractor. We can ride on it to the village and we can sit on the tractor and we can reach the village. Nitya. So Nitya is saying, I wonder, underline, what kind of house they live in. So now Nitya is thinking of what type of a house it will be where they are going, what type of a house they live in. So mother answers, mother, the house has trees all around it. So mother is explaining that there are trees all around the house and a courtyard in the center. And there is a courtyard, underline, courtyard is an open area inside a house surrounded by walls. Okay. So mother is telling that there are trees around it and there is a courtyard in the center. There is a well at the back and there is a well too. To get water, there is a well also at the back of the house. When we were young, so mother is telling, when she was young, we used to sit under the trees at night, and they would sit under the trees at night, and grandpa would tell us stories, and their grandfather and her mother is telling her that her grandfather used to tell stories, underline stories, and the people of the village would gather, underline gather, to listen to the stories. So not only the family but even the village people would come to listen to grandfather's stories. Sometimes when it was very hot, we would sleep under the trees. So when it was hot, they used to sleep under the trees, mother is telling. They smelled, underline smell, so good and it felt so cool. And when they slept under the tree, they used to feel very good and they used to feel cool also. Aditi, the house in the cities are usually small. So Aditi is telling her mother that usually the houses in the cities, they are very small. So mother is telling her, well, many houses in the village are also small. So mother is telling them that in the village also there are small houses too. Okay. Some of them have thatched roof. Now you know what is thatched roof? It is roof which is made out of dried grass. Okay. In the villages they usually make these roofs and they put bamboos, and over the bamboos they put this dry grass to keep the house cool. So in the villages they have thatched roof, those houses, and some houses are big and have tiled roofs, means instead of putting the dry green grass, they put those tiles which come, red color tiles come. No, you might have seen. So now also in big cities also they put these tiled roofs. So there are tiles on the roof. Okay, now father. Father, the train is about to stop at our station. So father is telling them to get ready because the train is going to stop at the station. Come, pick up the bags and move towards, underline towards the exit. Exit means the entrance, the door from where they have to go out, move out of the train. So he's saying take your luggage and come with your bags towards the exit door, the door from where they have to get down the station. Remember, underline remember, it will stop here for just 2 minutes. So the station is small, so it will just stand. The train will only stand for 2 minutes, so you have to hurry up. The family gets off at the station, and the train stops, and the family gets down at the station. The platform, underline, is small and almost empty. Almost and empty also, underline. So the platform is empty because it is a small platform, and where the train has stopped, and the village is small too, and there are not many people around. Nitya, Uncle Naresh, Auntie Rujita. So she's looking at them, that uncle and auntie have come. Uncle. Now uncle says, welcome. Did you have a comfortable journey? So uncle is asking, underline comfortable and journey also. Uncle is asking them, did they have a comfortable journey? Aditi says, we did. Auntie, come this way. The tractor is parked, underline parked, at the end of the station. Means auntie is telling them that the tractor is kept at the end of the station. So Nitya, will you drive the tractor, auntie? Nitya is asking her auntie, is she going to drive the tractor? Auntie, why not? Would you and Aditi like to sit beside me in front? Underline beside and front. So she's asking that Aditi and Nitya, are they going to sit beside her, nearby her, or in the front where she is going to start the tractor? Okay, she's going to drive the tractor. Nitya, yes, we would. So Nitya is saying yes, they would feel happy to sit with auntie in front of the tractor. Aditi, what fun! Will the tractor take us through the field? So Aditi is asking, are we going through the fields? How can they go through them? So uncle is saying, uncle, no, it might spoil the crops. We are not going through the fields because it may spoil the crops. However, you can see the fields as we drive by. So uncle is telling that they can see the fields as they are driving by. Okay, so this is the lesson, and here uncle and auntie have taken them to the house by the tractor, and these girls are going to see many fields on the way. Okay, and they will enjoy the village life, which children nowadays hardly get to see villages, because many of children and people are living in the cities, so they hardly get a chance, and these two girls take a chance to go and see their uncle and auntie who are living in a village, and they will enjoy it. Hope you too have enjoyed the lesson, children. Yes, now these spellings you will write them down in your English reader behind the book where we write the spellings, and I'll be sending you the assignment also. And learn these spellings, read the lesson thoroughly, learn the spellings and the meanings, and after this I will send you the assignment. All the best. Stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.